Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. This is Pritam Bhansali. Today I am going to give you the brief understanding about the ITIL certifications. We are going to cover this topic in very much in depth, and I am also going to explain you what is ITIL. So without making any delay, let's start. So let's first of all understand, so what is ITIL? ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL is nothing but the book of or the library of rules, procedures, tasks, and so on. So it is all related to information technology service organizations. So with the help of these organizations will be able to grow themselves, and they can become more competitive in the market. They will also be able to do the planning, implementation, and various measures related to profit and loss. So this is how you can understand the importance of ITIL. Okay, so now let us try to understand what is the best place to get the certification for ITIL. So without any doubt, it is nothing but the Excelos organization. So why we should go for the Excelos organization? There are so many other learning websites are there. So why only Excelos is important? So let's try to understand. So Excelos is the organization set up as a joint venture between the Government of United Kingdom Cabinet and the Capita PLC. That is nothing but the public limited company. So which is headquartered in the UK, London. Okay. So now let us try to understand what are the different certifications are available for this ITIL. So first one is foundation level. This is the most basic level. Second one is managing professional level. Third one is strategic leader, and the fourth one is master level. So without making any delay, let's try to understand each one of them. All the URLs related to these certifications I will be giving in the comment section below. And before this, I have also covered the certifications related to Spring Framework in Java and Java certifications. So please, without making any delay, after watching this video, please try to visit those videos. So let us jump on the certification related to ITIL. So this is nothing but the website of Excelos organization. So excelos.com is the website, and here you can just click on the certifications tab. So once you go to this certifications tab, here you will be able to see so many certifications which are provided by this Excelos corporation or organization. So right now our focus is on ITIL related certifications. If you people want that I should cover all the certifications also, so please mention all your doubts and required things in the comment section below. I will be covering those things in the future videos. So now first click on view ITIL certifications. To get appeared for the certifications, you can just visit each and every tab and click on the respective links. So if you want to appear for the foundation level certification, you can just open the link in the next tab and just try to find out the details. So here you will be able to see the exam format and all the required details which you need to understand, like what is the exam format. It will be multiple choice question. There will be 40 questions asked in that exam. You will need the 26 marks to pass that exam out of 40 marks. So the exam will be conducted for the 40 marks, and you will need at least 26 marks to pass that exam. It will be nothing but the 65%. Okay, so after that, the exam duration will be 60 minutes, and it will not be a open book kind of exam. It will be a closed book kind of exam. Means you need to study prior to the exam each and everything. You need to keep the things in mind, and then you should appear for that exam. There won't be any books and nothing will be provided while you appear for that exam. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. I will be coming up with so many new certifications for you guys, so please stay in touch. Thanks a lot.